Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to grade 4 max class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, and the topic is decimals. So what is meant by decimal? The word decimal originates from the Latin word decim, which means tenth. Decimal number is one more way to represent fraction. To understand decimal numbers, you must recall the knowledge of place value. When we write numbers, the position of each number is important. Look at the table, 235. So the 5 is in ones place. So we call it as ones. So ones, 1s, ones. Next, 3 is in tens place. So tens, 10s, tens. Next, 2 is in hundreds place. So 100, yes, hundreds place. So a 3-digit number, always remember from the right side, you start from ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. So for a 3-digit number, we have 3 place values. We know as we move left, each position becomes 10 times bigger, from ones to tens to hundreds. So look at the picture, 235. So ones, tens, hundreds. And as we move right, each position becomes 10 times smaller. That is from the right position. So hundreds, tens, ones. So if you are moving to the left position, the values become 10 times higher. If you move the position towards the right side, 10 times smaller. But what if we continue after ones? After ones, what will come after ones? What if 10 times smaller than ones? It is 1/10. Okay, after ones place. Okay, after ones place to the right side, you must note down that it will be the decimal point. After the decimal point, we call it as 10th. Look at this last table, 235.4. So now we are writing a decimal number, okay? So 235.4. So the point is called decimal point. The number before the decimal point, that is to the left side, is called the whole number. So what is the whole number? 235 is the whole number, and decimal point. After decimal point, they have given 4. So 4 is the decimal number. Okay, so we know before the decimal point, it is ones, tens, hundreds. But remember, after the decimal point, we call it as 10th. What is it? 10th. So 1/10. So 4 is the number which is in the 10th place. What is decimal point? The decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. It is exactly on the right of the ones position. Without it, we will be lost and not know what position means. So decimal point is a very important thing in a decimal number, because if we don't know where the dot, we don't know which is the whole number part and which is the decimal part. So the decimal point is a very important thing. So look at this example, 13.5. So 13.5. So before the decimal point is ones, then tens. After the decimal point, we call it as 10th. How to read a decimal number? We can read the decimal number using decimal point. Look at the picture. A girl which is measuring her height. Okay. So if the answer is 3.5, so the decimal point is a very important thing. So before the decimal point is the whole part, which is the digit to the left of the decimal point. After the decimal point is the decimal part or fractional part. That is the right side of the decimal point. So how to read out this number? 3.5. Always remember, read the digits to the left of the decimal point the way you read the numbers. Read the decimal point as point. You should say that dot as point. For example, 3.5. You should not say 3.5. You should say 3.5. Next, read the digits to the left of the decimal point, digit by digit. Okay. First, whole number part you can read as how you are reading the number. For example, 42 means 42. But after the decimal point, that is the decimal part, you should not read as numbers. You should read it read as digit by digit. If it is 0.12, you should read as 0.12. You should not read as 0.12. Okay. So if a number is given in decimal number, you should read the first whole number part as the number, then the point as point, and the next decimal part as digit by digit. Now let us see how to read the decimal number 235.4 using the place value chart. So now we are writing the place value chart for the example number 235.4. So 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place, then point, then 10th position is 4. So how to read? 235.4. You can also read as 235 and 4. 10th. Okay, whether you can use the place value term or you can use the point and say the digit place. Okay, children. So today we discussed what is meant by decimal number, decimal point. Today do practice on 1 in your concept book by referring page number 121 to 123 and hand in Google Classroom app grade 4 maths. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.